For repair of plastic exterior vehicle components, the Henkel Plastic Repair Set. Typical bumper damage, collision with trailer coupling. First, drill out the brake and surrounding cracks on the front side. Then, roughen a surrounding larger area for a better adhesion. Form the edges conically. A tip, the initial belt sander with 80 grit, the X-center sander with 150 grit. Then, prepare the damaged back. Sand a wide surface with 150 grit. Clean the repair area with TEROSON Cleaner FL. Prime both sides of the repair area with TEROCOL 150 plastic primer. Apply the primer thinly. This facilitates adhesion. Allow to dry at room temperature for 10 minutes. Load the two-component special adhesive TEROCOL 9225 into the spray gun. Generously apply on the back of the damaged area around the repair area. Both adhesive components mix in the mixing nozzle. Please note, at room temperature, the two-component mixture can be used for 10 minutes. Now lay a glass fiber fleece on the adhesive compound. Press with the trowel until it is soaked. Then fill again with TEROCOL 9225 and spread smooth. TEROCOL 9225 hardens within 15 minutes at 60 to 70 degrees Celsius, for example, under an infrared lamp. Now continue on the front side. Also apply here TEROCOL 9225 around the repair area. Please avoid air bubbles. To ensure this, the nozzle must always remain in the adhesive compound. You may apply a little more in the visible area, also slightly over the original level. This facilitates the sanding flat of the repair area later, without holes or indentions. As on the component rear side, a few minutes under infrared light are sufficient for drying. Now sand off residual adhesive. Begin with sandpaper of 150 grit. For the finer sanding, use 360 grit. Finally, clean with TEROSON Cleaner. The completed component front side can now be painted according to the manufacturer's specifications. Excursus, repairing mechanically stressed connection points ready for painting with a TEROSON system. Typical, a torn borehole. First, roughen all surfaces of the repair area. Then clean with TEROSON Cleaner FL. Prime all the adjacent surfaces with TEROCOL 150 plastic primer. Place insulating material in the tear. This stabilizes the fitting. Then fill with adhesive. Now the clue. TEROCOL Adhesive 9225 SF. This stands for super fast. Apply generously opposite the insulating material and immediately work in previously cut glass fiber fleece. TEROCOL SF sets in 2 to 3 minutes. Cover the fleece completely and spread smooth. Treat both sides of the damage in this way. The adhesive can be sanded after 15 minutes at room temperature. Smoothen the front and rear sides, clean, and finished.